Hi guys, my name is Peter and welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna open my Amiga 3000. I'm really excited. That's gonna be the first time we're opening this system in the last 27 years or 26 years. The thing is, the system still have manufacturing seal from day one since it left factory. Let me show you. It's right there. To be honest, on the one hand, I prefer not to open it, to keep it that seal intact, but since all Amigas back then, and a lot of computers actually made same way, for real-time clock they did use it NiCad battery, nickel cadmium battery, instead lithium ions, and nickel cadmium tends to leak 10-15 years or so, and that's kind of really bad and dangerous. The acid will go on the main board and will corrode it, and even can ruin it in some cases. A few things I'd like to mention it before we open it. Like I mentioned before, it's a Amiga 3000, 25 MHz processor, 100 MB hard drive. Back then, that's the biggest you can get. Also, I've been told that this unit, like in the first batch of production, the factory label sits horizontally, not vertical. Also, the serial number is pretty low. It's a 000759. I'm not sure if that's the actual number, how many was built, or that's kind of code, and you have to know how to read it. But at least, like I said, it's a 759, pretty low. And basically, let me break it seal. Like I said, I don't want to do that, but I have to save it, the system. If the battery already start making some damage, I have to open it. Okay guys, it turns there's one more screw. 2 screws on each side, that's not enough. The unit will not open it. There on the back side, let me show you. There's one more screw over here. You have to remove it, otherwise you will struggle and it will not go anywhere. Let's open it. Wow, look at that guys. The system inside, it almost looks like brand new. One little guide for LED fell out, and I'm not sure. Oh yeah, that's for this guy. I will have to reglue it back. The power on and off, you see the shaft was going back and forth. And right there, it's kind of funny. The way they design it. Power supply. It has actual key looks like from keyboard. They put it to just make it bigger, to make sure the shaft will match it. And I'm really surprised how clean it is. I tell you before, this Amiga has a very low mileage. Previous owner didn't use it at all, and when I'm opening it right now, I'm really surprised how low on dust is. Sorry if I didn't use the right term. There's no dust at all. It looks like almost you can eat from that Amiga. There's a little bag of a couple of 6 screws, probably to mount another floppy drive. Hard drive right here. It's quite surprising to see that big hard drive and it's only 100 MB. Unbelievable. Power supply 120 volts, 4 amp. That's gonna be around 480 or so a watt. I mean, like I said, I never opened it before. For me, everything is new. And if you ask me what's going on here, which board is, to me it looks like, I mean, well, it's a main board right here, and I don't see any other boards. Here's the expansion board slot, and I mean, it looks to me like this guy has a less than 100-hour runtime or so. Well, it has slightly a little bit dust, you see right there on those connectors. If you wipe it, you can see it. The battery, luckily, well, the battery start leaking right there. I mean, it had some green corrosion, but luckily it didn't get anything on the, or it did. No, it looks like not yet. It didn't, nothing did touch it, motherboard in that area. Guys, I'm really lucky, and I'm glad I did open it. Even I have to break it a factory warranty seal, or what it's called. But now I can replace that battery and not worry for another, I mean, I don't know, 5-10 years or so. Also, here I see slots for expanded memory. Probably you can expand it or so. I mean, guys, it's amazing, amazing. Let's see what else I should. Oh, by the way, I was gonna ask you guys, especially for someone who really knows Amiga in and out. All capacitors looks almost good as new, especially like I said, that system has only, I mean, I don't know, maybe 20-40 hours or so, maybe close to 100, but not much, because when it's running, especially like if it sits in a bedroom or so, it will be much more dirty. I mean, much more dusty, since it looks almost brand new. And all capacitors, to me, looks really cool. None of them bulges. None of them even has a sign of being leaking. Question is, should I recap it all, or should I keep it original, I mean all stocks capacitors? Well guys, it's pretty much that's it for today. I hope this video was enjoyable for you guys as much as for me. If you do like this video, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. I will really appreciate it. Thank you.